Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Home Assistant EV charge scheduling with Z-Wave switches, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Home Assistant EV charge scheduling with Z-Wave switches, begin by ensuring you have a compatible Z-Wave switch and that your Home Assistant setup is properly configured. Next, install the Z-Wave integration in Home Assistant if you haven't done so already. Navigate to the integrations page within Home Assistant and search for Z-Wave. Follow the prompts to configure your Z-Wave network. Once your Z-Wave network is set, pair your Z-Wave switch by putting it into pairing mode. In Home Assistant, select the option to add a new device and wait for your Z-Wave switch to appear. Once paired, check that your Z-Wave switch is listed under Devices in the Z-Wave integration. With your switch connected, go to the Configuration tab in Home Assistant. Select Automations to create a new automation that will control the charging schedule. For the trigger, choose the time of day you want the charging to begin. Next, set the action to turn on your Z-Wave switch at that designated time. You can also add a condition that checks whether your EV is plugged in before proceeding with the action. Save your automation and give it a descriptive name for easy identification. Remember to test the automation to ensure it's functioning correctly at the scheduled time. If needed, adjust the time or conditions based on your preferences or usage patterns. To monitor your energy consumption, consider adding an energy dashboard in Home Assistant. Utilize the statistics to track your charging sessions and make adjustments as necessary. Finally, periodically review and update your automation settings for optimal performance. With these steps, you will successfully enable EV charge scheduling using Z-Wave switches in Home Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.